How to install Shelly 1L. Let's get started. This is a short unboxing of Shelly 1L. For the first time, we are presenting this type of video with a double pack box. Here, you can see all sides of the box. A part of the technical specifications are written on it. What you may find in the box, when you are opening it for the first time? When you open the covering sides, the first thing, which can be seen is the invitation to our Facebook community group. You can find it with scanning the QR code. As you can see, there are two devices inside. The reason for that is the 2-pack. Shelly 1L is one channel, one wire Wi-Fi relay, which can be powered without a neutral cable. Something that is revolutionary. On the back, you can find a reset button and the device pinout. In the box, you will also find a user guide, which will help you to wire the device according to your needs. Main wiring diagrams can be found there. This is Shelly bypass. It is required, if you want to connect your 1L without a neutral cable. Later in the video, you will see how exactly to use it. It has two cables, because it should be connected in parallel with the load. In this part of the video, you will see how to wire a Shelly 1L. Most important is to be sure that the fuse breaker is turned off, and there is no electricity over the cables while you are installing. First, connect the line cable coming from the network. It is marked with red on the diagram, in the top right. Tighten the screw, so the cable cannot be pulled out. Second, connect the SW inputs through one of the SX inputs. It is shown in red color, on the diagram in the top right corner on the step where we are. It is important that the SW inputs are connected through SX, and not directly from the same phase, with which you are powering the device, like in Shelly 2.5 as an example. The output of the switches should be connected to SW1 and SW2. In this video, the connection will be only without neutral cable connected. If you want to connect a neutral, there is nothing difficult, and it is much more simple. Third, connect the line part of the bypass and the load. It is marked with red, in the top right corner on which step we are. For easier realization, You can use a vago clamp, which will be the joint point for crossing the cable coming from O of 1L, the bypass and the load. It does not matter which side of the bypass you will connect to the line side, and which to the neutral side. It is the same. The final part of this step, connecting the load and the bypass to the output of 1L. Fourth, connect the neutral part of the bypass and the load. It is marked with blue in the top right corner on the step which we are. We will use a vago clamp again, for connecting the neutral. The final part of this step, connecting the neutral cable coming from the load, directly to the neutral joint point. Shelly 1L wiring is ready, and you can power it. The device can be perfectly controlled over the switches, without any flickering, and the most important, without a neutral cable connected to it. Once again, the input for neutral cable is empty. Shelly 1L is powered only through the line input. The next step is to add the device to your local network, and to start using it, with the Shelly Cloud app. The device is creating an access point, to which you should connect. After that, open the browser on your smartphone and open the local interface of the access point, which is created by accessing the following address, 192.168.33.1. Go to Internet and Security and click on Wi-Fi client mode. There you must enter the name, SSID, and password for your Wi-Fi network. When you type them, press save and you will receive a confirmation. Check the Wi-Fi connection icon in the top right corner, and you will see that the smartphone is disconnecting from the access point. Immediately after that, it is connecting to the new network of the Shelly. Go back to the Shelly Cloud application, and in a couple of seconds, you will see the room discovered devices. Open it, and you will see your Shelly with its ID. Press on click to add and type a name, select a room and a picture/icon, then press save device. You will be prompted, if you want to connect your device to the Shelly Cloud service. It takes some time, so please wait. The device is successfully added to your account, and to the cloud. You can freely start using it, and automate all of the switches at your home. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Shelly devices.